Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning yourself where the rare weapon spawns most often. You want access to the main corridors and the power on. Once done, clear a compact area and keep about 2,000 points ready so you can buy immediately. Make sure to open the primary doors and activate the power to trigger more weapon spawns. You do this because spawning tables and wall buys shift with map progression. Early access raises your odds and gets you into the buying rotation fast. Now you hunt methodically, alternate wall buy locations and the mystery box while keeping rounds low and controlled, because the ray gun appears more often when you refresh spawns. Once you have points, approach buys in short bursts. You stay alive and preserve resources by running safe train paths and using choke points. Make sure to swap weapons if a better drop appears, and keep an eye on the spawn timer so you're ready to spend immediately. This reduces wasted rounds and increases your chance. When you finally obtain the ray gun, secure it by returning to a safe area and immediately pack-a-punch it if possible. You want the upgraded stats and extra ammo. Once upgraded, adjust loadout to conserve energy. Use ammo-saving perks and avoid spraying where precise shots work. If you don't find the ray gun after multiple cycles, exit and relaunch or switch protected zones to reset spawn tables. Doing so restarts the spawn logic and often resolves stubborn non-spawns without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.